This is a 2006 Subaru. I'm going to step back a little bit because it has quite the noisy serpentine belt. What we're going to do is the water spray test. So if we spray a little bit of water onto the rib side of the serpentine belt and the noise gets louder, it's likely because the tension is wrong, or it's like slipping because the tension is basically bad. If the noise gets quieter, it's likely because the serpentine belt is worn, maybe it's dirty, or there's some sort of slight misalignment in the pulleys. And if the noise doesn't change, we're likely looking at just an individual pulley problem that's making the noise. So we're going to try this. Alright, so what I think's going on there is I'm getting some extra noises once the rib side of that belt gets wet. You can probably hear it through the phone still, but there is a little bit extra noise going on. Now this test isn't perfectly diagnostic, however it does give you an idea of what needs to replace. So that's how you do it. It can only take you a couple minutes and help you diagnose what you need to replace.